Meaning of Glyndebourne.
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 Glyndebourne. Glyndebourne is a name that refers to a country house, an opera festival, and an opera company in the United Kingdom. The country house, situated in East Sussex, is the site of the annual Glyndebourne Festival, which showcases world-class opera performances. The festival has been held since 1934 and has a reputation for excellence. The Glyndebourne Opera Company was established in 1968 to extend the festival's activities beyond the summer months. Today, Glyndebourne is synonymous with high-quality opera productions that attract audiences from around the world.